Hi, this is the Hoop House, July 16th, 2026. Look what's growing. I have to cut the Lysianthus. I'm going to cut it for my daughter because these are blooming now, and I'm not opening up the roadside stand until Sunday, and I don't think these will last until Sunday. So I'm going to cut the Lysianthus and just take them to my daughter. But here is the Hoop House, July 16, 2026. The kiddie pools are working well for keeping everything hydrated. The Lysianthus is so beautiful. Yeah, it's about 80 degrees here. And so I don't have to worry about the flowers drying out because the kiddie pool, and I also put a little bit of fertilizer in the bottom too, along with about 2 inches of water. And it seems to be working well for me. Remember, this was my little hoop house I got from Walmart. It was like $75. It's a 10 by 15, I believe. And I just have it on my back patio out here, but it's just working well. You know, I just have the little roadside stand. And then I do have a flower CSA, a dahlia CSA. My dahlias are in the front yard. I do have some of my specialty dahlias in here, but they're not blooming yet, except for way back in the back, that Cafe LA that's bloomed. Anyway, let me know what's going on in your garden. I sure hope you're enjoying this day. The Lysianthus is just incredible. And also the sunflowers are doing well inside the hoop house, along with this yellow status. Yeah. So let me see what's in your garden. Bye, Martha from Monterey Bay. Zone 10. Teacher, now flower farmer. Bye.